so we need to log in our Gmail account. Enter the password. Okay, after natin malagin ang ating password, so punta tayo dito sa Google Apps. There are 9 dots. So click lang natin and we need to find the forms. So we need to click the forms, and after that we need to click the blank for the new then we need to put title for this form, example quiz and history. Then for the short description, so we need to put please answer the questions carefully. Okay, like for example, something like one. Okay, for the question number 1, we need to input the first question. Example number 1, who is the author of Nole Me Tangere? Tangere. Okay, for the choices, so option 1, we need to put A for Dr. Jose Rizal. B for Haina. C for Lopez. D for Luna. Okay, for the first questions, meron tayong nagawa na question na multiple choice questions. So we need to check the required para yung mga estudyante hindi makapag-proceed kung hindi nakapag-answer sa first questions. And after that, we need to click this one, duplicate questions. So question number 2, who is the author of I Used to Live Here Once? A, C, Joyce Royce. B, Petrarch. C, Shakespeare. And D, Irving. Okay, so may dalawang questions. For example, this one. So, for the question number 1, gusto mong ilagay yung correct answer. So, you need to click for the question number 1. So, you need to click this one. If you want to add descriptions or go to section based on answer or shuffle in order. Example, we need to add answer key. Okay, for the answer key is we need to make a answer key. Okay, so click lang natin yung make this quiz feedback. later after. So release grades, so we need to click later after manual checking. Missed questions, correct answers. So ilagay natin yung points, that is 1 point per questions. After that, so we need to check again. So may choices na yung answer key. So we need to click the answer key and click the correct answer. Example, who is the author of No Limit ang Hire? Torres Rizal. Click done. For the question number 2, you need to click the answer key. Who is the author of I Lost Joyce Royce? Click done. So meaning yung correct answer is A for question number 1 and A naman sa question number 2. So it's up to you kung ano yung correct answer. Okay, next after the putting the correct answer, so we need to check our Google Forms kung okay na siya. So you need to click preview para makita yung output. Okay, for the preview, nakita mo dito is who is the author of No Limit ang Hire. So example, answer of 1 is this one, and for the question number 2 is may nag-answer na A. After that, submitted. So kung na-submit na, so makikita mo na yung results dito sa responses. So try natin. First, we need to publish. Publish natin. Okay, manage. Click manage. And we need to click anyone with this link. Click done. Okay, click publish. Okay, kung na-publish na, so may lalabas dito na link. You need to click the shorten URL and copy and paste. Try natin. So, i-try natin dito. Enter. Okay, so ito na yung sample. So, for this one, because the email is required, so you need to click email para makapag-proceed. Next, for the question, who is the author of the No Limit ang Hire? Example, si Rizal. Who is the author of the Used to Live Here Once? Example, Petrarch. Okay, so makita sa student kung ilang points in every questions. So after answering, example 50 items, so the students click submit. After submission, so quiz and history, your response has been recorded. So after the so as a teacher, you need to check the response. So meaning may response na dito isa. So you need to click response. Then you need to look for the score. Okay, for the materials, meaning yung score niya is 1 out of 2. Okay, the score is not released. So pwede natin i-release ang score dito. Then pwede natin i-check yung responses. Okay, so example dito sa questions, so makikita natin for the response, and also we need to view the individual. Example, yung isang respondent gusto mong i-check kung correct ba siya o hindi. So meaning for the question number 1 is who is the author of No Limit ang Hire? Dr. Rizal, which is correct siya. Sa pangalawang questions, who is the author of I Used to Live Here Once? That is Petrarch, which is the correct answer dun sa Google Forms is Joyce Royce, is wrong siya kasi B yung in-answer ng student. So meaning correct answer makikita naman dito sa baba is letter A. Okay, that is how to create a Google Forms. Thank you.